Good morning everyone. This is exercise 13.3 and the first question is write the following numbers in the expanded form. So the first question and the first part is 2,79,404. So the expanded form can be written as 2 into 1 lakh plus 7 into 10,000 plus 9 into 1,000 plus 4 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 4 into 1 means we have to multiply the given number with its place value. So in the form of exponent we can write it 2 into 10 to the power 5 into 7 into 10 to the power 4 into 9 into 10 to the power 3 and 4 into 10 to the power 2 plus 0 into 10 to the power 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power 0. किसी की भी वैल्यू अगर हम 10 टू द पावर 0 लिखेंगे तो उसकी वैल्यू क्या हो जाती है 1 हो जाती है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म. नाउ द सेकेंड पार्ट इज 30,06,194. सो फॉर दिस वी कैन राइट इट 3 into 10 lakhs plus 0 into 1 lakh plus 0 into 10,000 plus 6 into 1,000 plus 1 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 4. So we can write it in the expanded form as 3 into 10 to the power 6 plus 0 into 10 to the power 5 plus 0 into 10 to the power 4 plus 6 into 10 to the power 3 plus 1 into 10 to the power 2 plus 4 plus 9 into 10 to the power 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power 0 and so on. You can also write the other parts just like that. Now moving on to the next part, it is question number 2. Find the number from each of the following expanded forms. Now they are giving you the question in the expanded form and you have to change them into numbers. So firstly we will write the expansion form of the number. It is 8 into 10,000 plus 6 into 1,000 plus 0 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. इसको हमने कैसे लिख लिया? ओपन फॉर्म में लिख लिया कि 8 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 4 है. और एक चीज़ और, ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर गलत लिखा है. इसको आप ऐसे लिखेंगे 8 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 4 है, फिर 6 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 3 है, फिर 0 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 4 है, प्लस 4 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 1 एंड 5 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 0. ये पावर्स जो है 10 के ऊपर हैं, डिजिट्स के ऊपर नहीं है. ठीक है. सो यू कैन राइट इट लाइक दैट एंड देन यू विल राइट इट 80,000 plus 6,000 plus 0 plus 40 plus 5 and the answer is 86,045. Okay. Now moving on to the next part, it is 4 into 10 to the power 5. Again you will write it like the power is on 10, the power raised on 10, not on 4. So it is 4 into 10 to the power 5, 5 into 10 to the power 3, 3 into 10 to the power 2 and 2 into 10 to the power 0. So we can write it 4 into 1 lakh plus 0 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1,000 plus 3 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 2 into 1. So it is 4 lakhs plus 0 plus 5,000 plus 300 plus 0 plus 2. So it will be 4,53,002 is the answer. Now moving on to the third part is express the following number in the standard form. Now you have to express them in the standard form. मैंने आपको बताया था स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में हम क्या करते हैं, 10 टू द पावर रेज करके उस डिजिट को लिखते हैं मल्टीप्लाई करके. ठीक है. सो वी विल राइट इट 5 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 7 बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग 7 zeros 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So we will write it 5 into 10 to the power 7 just like that. In the other parts we will do. So here we have 3,90,878. So we will write it 3.90878 into 10 to the power. Now count the digits 1 2 3 4 5. So it is 10 to the power 5. We have to put the decimal just after the one digit and then we will count all the digits behind the decimal and then we will write it in the form of 10 to the power whatever it is raised up to. Okay. Now moving on to the next part, it is 3 9s 3908.78. Now it is already given you in the form of decimal, but we have to write it in standard form, and the standard form is 3.90878. हमने इसको 3.90878 लिख दिया. अब हमने डेसिमल को कितने पॉइंट्स आगे बढ़ाया है? 3 पॉइंट्स. तो वी विल राइट इट 3.90878 इंटू 10 to the power 3 ओनली, क्योंकि हमने डेसिमल को इतना पॉइंट्स मूव किया है. ऑलरेडी हमें क्वेश्चन में जहाँ तक डेसिमल दिया है उसके साथ अगर 10 to the power कुछ दी होती तो हम उसमें उतनी पावर्स ऐड कर देते, बट हमें सिर्फ ये डिजिट दिया है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डेसिमल. सो वी विल मूव द डेसिमल फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट साइड, and the number of digits we move the decimal, we will raise to the power up to that number. Okay, now moving on to the last part, it is fourth question. Express the number appearing in the following statement in standard form. The first is the distance between earth and the moon is 384 crore meters. So the standard form for this is 3.84. Now count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3.84 into 10 to the power 8. When there are digits, then we will write them. If there are no digits like 1, 2, 3, 4, if there is only 0, then we will remove the 0 and write it 3.84 into 10 to the power 8. अगर यहाँ पर digits होती सपोज 3.8 4 1 5 6 9 7, तब हम इन सारी डिजिट्स को लिखते और हम लिखते इंटू 10 to the power 8. बट यहाँ पर आपको डिजिट्स नहीं, आपको सिर्फ 0 की फॉर्म में डिजिट्स गिवन है. देन यू विल राइट इट 3.84 into 10 to the power 8. Okay, now moving on to the next part, it is speed of light in vacuum is 3 crore meter per second. So we will write it in the form of 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, because there are only zeros, and if we write 3.0 and now if we count the zeros, then there are 8 zeros, so we can write it 3.0 into 10 to the power 8 or 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second is the speed of the light in vacuum. Now moving on to the last part, the earth has this cubic kilometer of sea water. So how to convert it into standard form? We will write it 1.353 into 10 to the power, count करते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So it is 10 to the power 9 is the answer, cubic kilometer. Okay, thank you.